Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you for the second week in the semester. I hope you had a good time during the first week to read the material, go through the research papers, and able to answer the homework. I will look at your homework grades this week and will give you a good feedback. During this second week, we are going to discuss a new topic, which is data processing cycle. In this one, we will talk mainly about the input of the data, how we process it, and then the output. And in between, how to store our data. For the input, we usually get the input of our data from the either original documents or turnaround documents. The turnaround documents, which we can get from the supplier, process it, and then send it back to the supplier. And then we start the processing the data by creating some activities, whether we can create or read or delete or update a document. And then we can do that either online real-time system or batch system or both of them, which we call it online batch system. And at the end, we get the outcome of the processing in form of reports or documents or queries. And our care in the accounting information system is how to store the data. So we usually store the data on records, and some of the records we covered in the first class of accounting, where we discussed the journal, and we have different types of journals where we can store the data. The first one is the general journal, which you covered in the first class of accounting, but the second one is the subsidiary journal. And we have 4 different types of subsidiary journals, which you can find on the PowerPoint presentation. The first one is sales journal, the second one purchase journal, the third one cash receipt journal, and the last one cash payment journal. And if you go through the PowerPoint presentation, which I uploaded on the course material, you will see how we enter the data on the general journal as well as the subsidiary journal. For the ledgers, we have also similar. We have general ledger, which you also covered in the first class of accounting, and subsidiary ledger, which has like different types like accounts receivable, accounts payable, and inventory ledger. So please take your time to go through the presentation, and then you will be able to differentiate between the subsidiary and the general journal and ledger. The last point in this chapter, we talk about ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning. And this is the integrated database that connect accounting with the other functions on the company, like HR, marketing, admin, sales, and so on. And this is the big talk now among the businesses, is how to implement the ERP, whether we use Oracle or we use Microsoft or any provider that can build up a database between accounting and the other functions. And please take your time to go through the material to know more about the ERP, and I'm going to upload some material from the CPA exams, because in CPA exams they discuss the issue of ERP extensively, because this is the trend in business life now. And I'm going to upload some couple articles about ERP as well. I hope you find the course material this week interesting, and I welcome all of your questions, your comments about the material, and wish you good luck for the second week. Talk to you back soon. Bye-bye.